commercialization is step number one for creating any kind of educational content, coaching, consulting, workshop, membership program. All things you do in your business must be underpinned by a solid commercial structure. What does your customer journey look like? Do you have a customer journey? Before you create any product or service, before you even think about creating an online course, creating services of any kind whatsoever of yourself, how does this fit into my overall business journey? Write down every single thing that you sell. Is it digital products? Do you have templates, resources, eBooks and eGuides, webinars? Once you've written down everything that you sell, the next step is, what order would I present these different things to my perfect customer, to an individual, if they were going to step through them all one at a time? Obviously, in reality, not everyone steps through what we have in the exact order we put it in front of them, but this underpins your marketing. It underpins your sales sequence and your nurturing sequence. Your customer journey is simply a sequence of offers that start from the cheapest thing that you sell right the way through to the most expensive thing that you sell. Normally in the marketing space, what we start our customer journey with is our free stuff. And before things like lead magnets, we have our content marketing. Content marketing is you going online, sharing social media posts, publishing videos, tips and how-tos, any form of content that if somebody went to Google and typed in a question that relates to your topic, is going to bring your content, your stuff, and your face up on their screen. All of this content marketing is visibility. It's ways that people discover us and find us. The very top of our visibility blueprint, our marketing model, our commercialization strategy is all of the ways that people can discover us. Then, as we start moving through our commercialization model, we then have where we convert those eyeballs into our customers, or at least our contacts at this stage. We're taking them from just looking at us to becoming part of our business ecosystem. This means usually getting their contact information, getting an email address. And to do that, you need to have some kind of lead magnet, which usually is free. So this could be a chapter from your book. Maybe it's the recording of a webinar, a free strategy call with you. And then as we move along that customer journey, this is when you might start introducing low priced product. This is going to be amazing for you to get people across the line if they don't yet know you that well. They want to make a low risk investment into having a taste of what you do. Any business that has low priced products is going to have much higher conversion rates and sales along their customer journey than somebody who's jumping straight to a high ticket item. The whole point of this is that now we've got their communication information, such as their email address. As we move down our commercialization model here, now we can start nurturing that relationship by both continuing to share stuff online, but also by now sending them regular helpful emails that continue to serve that person, show them that we care about them and their success, and to obviously present them with all of the different ways that we can help them reach their goal faster. With this whole entire commercialization model in mind, we are now pre-framed with a structure by which to then go and create products that are going to move people not only from just seeing us to becoming our customers and to then being presented with all the things we sell at the bottom of this commercialization model. It also is now going to inform the pricing and the depth of each of the programs that we're creating. So every single social media post that you put up there, every piece of communication that you do should have some kind of call to action so that this commercialization model is triggered from every piece of content and every marketing activity that you do. It must lead to sales.